It's the beginning of the month, and you know what that means. It's an Amazon affiliate time. Boo, 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 boo. What is going on there, my fellow tankers? It's the beginning of the month, and we're going to go through my Amazon affiliate links to see what have y'all been buying, and I'm also going to go through what I have been buying on Amazon. As always, there is a Amazon affiliate link down below. You click on that, it take you to my Amazon store. From there, you can look at through the many lists I have curated, or if you clicked on any of the product links below, it will attach you to my affiliate account, and a percentage of your purchase will go back to me and help support the channel, and I do appreciate that. This is a final reminder, my whiskey tumblers on pre-sale right now. So if you haven't, go ahead and pre-ordered your whiskey tumbler. Go ahead and do it now, because this is a limited time item. Well, it's only going to be here, and once I close the window, there's going to be no more orders. So go ahead and order your whiskey tumbler now and get your amazing whiskey tumblers, man. They're awesome. A set of two for $40. Come on, you can't beat that. Go ahead. Grapevine Amateur Radio or shop.hamradio2.com. So let's go ahead and get started. First tab. Yes, I bought this pen. This is an awesome pen. This is a Fisher-Price space pen, the official space pen that's been to space. Not the one I have, but they developed these for NASA. They write upside down. They write in most environments. I had these several times until I lose them, and I love them. They hardly get clogged where you need to do the silly circles until they start writing again. Plus, it's a nice compact pen. I'll be right back. Here it is. Wapow! Look at that. It has a little clip right here that you can clip on your shirt pocket. Then you can open it up, and it's normal pen length. I love it. I love it. Maybe I will recommend not getting the black one, because it took a while to find because it's so dark. It was hiding in the shadow. Maybe the silver one. But I love this pen. It's an everyday carry pen. Next tab. Oh, I bought this for work. So ADD, I'm a fidgeter, and this helps me focus. What can I say? That's about it. I bought it, and it was on my Amazon link, so I said, sure, we're going to talk about it. But it's fun. It is fun. Next tab. Oh, this was a new acquisition for Dayton. I bought these for my power charging brick, and so I can charge multiple things, all these USB-Cs, and I'm starting to have more plugs and things that are chargeable by USB-C and more USB-C chargeable plugs. So these are about 1 foot long and red, so they're really easy to identify. If you loan it out, you can see which cable is yours. Plus they have the wrap around it. It's very nice, very easy to find, very textile, and it's bright red. That's why I got it. It was bright red, and it's a 2-pack. I like it. I like it. I used them in Dayton, and they worked. Plus, they work on data too, so power and data, and they charged my laptop, which these are weighted up to 60 watts. It was my find, so of course it was a good find. Next tab. Oh, so these are the Evolve 3s. They were great when they were $60. Now they're $100. Thank you for purchasing this on my account. I've been talking to people, and some of these work, some of these don't. Mine does not anymore, and that's why that's why y'all haven't seen it on the channel that much. I want to make a video, see if I could fix it, but it's in a bad state. So these laptops are good, cheap laptops. Just buyer beware. It's $100 for a laptop. So yeah, I was endorsing it heavily. Good, it's a good buy. Still a good buy. It's just, if it breaks, you know that you're probably going to have to replace it with a new one. Next tab. What? Someone bought a DJI with my affiliate link. That's amazing. That is so cool. Of course I'm going to endorse this. Yes, this was a good buy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I haven't played with drones much, so I don't know much about them. But thank you. Thank you. Thank you, whoever did that. I appreciate it. Next tab. Ooh, this is my camping table. I've used it about 3 or 4 times every time I set it up. It's easy. Yes, I bought this table. I like it. I love it. I would highly endorse it. It has not broken yet. Next tab. Oh, Pi 3. Is this a Pi? No, it's a Pi case with fan. Okay. That's pretty cool. Acrylic, I like it. Plus heat sinks. Pretty cool. I can get behind this idea. I like it. And it has an on and off switch. That's pretty cool. That's a good find. I like it. I really do like it. Let's roll on to the next tab. Oh, two Samsung 32 discs micro SD plus bundled with a, is that a flash drive also, or is that a reader? Everything but it's a reader. Okay. So okay, I understand. So you get 64 gigs of memory, 232 gigs, plus a USB reader for $14. And SanDisk, they've been around for a while. They work. They work for a while. Haven't had too much trouble with them. So good find. I'm gonna rate it as a good find. Yes. Yes. I am going to be doing some more videos about these Microtech routers that you can flash and put art in on it. I'm trying to shoot one for this Friday. We'll see if it happens, and if it does, it'll be in my channel lineup. And yes, I really do like this Microtech branded router. You can reflash it, you can put art in on it, and you get the usable USB hubs behind it, so you can hook it up to your network and plug in art in from there. So I like it. This is a really good buy. I bought this, and I approve. Soundproofing foam. What are you doing where you need soundproofing foam? Probably muting your phone so it doesn't get picked up on stream or a recording. No, this would be good for like a studio or your radio room. If you just want to dampen the sound and the reverb. And okay, I like this. I can get behind it. I can endorse it. Yes, nice find. And this brings us to our final tab. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Ah, very nice. An adapter, female to female, OS 239. Okay. Yeah, can't have enough adapters. Of course I'm going to approve this. I don't have this particular one, but anytime there are adapters bought, I am always going to be approving. Thank you to everyone who's purchased anything from my Amazon store or used one of my affiliate links. Again, the affiliate links are below for everything that I have shown on screen today, plus my general Amazon affiliates to everything else that helps support the channel, Gigaparts and Jason's web store, where you can buy Tank Radio branded shirts, hoodies. My coins are still there, and maybe when this drops, this should still be active. This is probably going to be the final week for whiskey tumblers. So if you want a Tank Radio branded whiskey tumbler, pre-orders are open. Once the pre-orders are over, no more orders will happen, and it's a limited time only. So head over to shop.hamradio2.com or Grapevine Amateur Radio. Google it. It's there, and also in my links below. But thank you for watching, and I appreciate each and every one out there. To all my takers out there, go forth and conquer.